Everybody, it's Brian Grizz of Ford of Murfreesboro taking a look at this 2003 Chevy Avalanche. It's a two-wheel drive. It's a dark slate gray in color with the 5.3 Vortec V8, 119,000 miles. It's a two-owner vehicle. It was a local trade-in. This was originally bought new from our Chevrolet store and trade in on a new Ford. Brand new tires. The wheels are in awesome condition. It's got the side steps, tinted glass window visors. It's got the roof rack, power moonroof, graphite leather trim, rear window defrost. The back trim pieces are in very nice condition, no signs of fading. Very clean inside the box as well. Class 3 towing package on it. Z66 package. If you'd like to see pictures, a copy of the Carfax, information about our dealership, you can check out FordOfMurfreesboro.com. We're 30 minutes southeast of Nashville, Tennessee. Just a little scuff there. It's got the fog lamps and tow hooks. Just a few minor little chips on the hood. Just want to point things out that I see for you. Very nicely decored power seats on both sides. Memory with heated seats. It does have the Bose audio package. Exact miles 116,916. Needs a service. It's all done. Your power moonroof, ONSTAR, HomeLink, steering and audio controls. Got a SONY in-dash set up for SIRIUS satellite, iPod hookup, dual zone climate control. This is Brian Grizz, Ford of Murfreesboro. Appreciate you taking your time to view this Avalanche. You can reach me at 888-439-8045.